Mention how it works. It fits with all the data that we've collected already in the past. So in the first section, if you remember, we are aggregating the data daily. And with that data, then you can start to do things, right? So this is an idea, but you could do thousands of different things depending on your different use cases and specifics. And basically what we are doing, we are searching for the data yesterday, and we do that by looking everything which is in the time frame of one day before today. And then we aggregate all the data, then we iterate and aggregate again just to add everything up and to just group it by client. And then we just do some calculations to get the open rate, we get the total email sends, responses, blah blah blah. And the last step is just doing some filterings, because there's sometimes the data might not make sense, like for example open rate higher than 100%, and that might be because you didn't send any emails, and perhaps you had like a lot of opens, right, from previous emails and whatever, and then your open rate can be like over 200%, and we don't want to confuse the customer. So just basically we filter that data out, but unless there's like some book cost, because then you can compromise that and explain why that happened, but in order to show that actually, hey, you book a call, which is the most important metric for most of the people here in this channel, right? So that's how you do it. And then the same as before, we just search for the client, we look for the relationship between the client and the campaign data. And once we have all that, everything group, nice and tidy, then we create the message and we send it on Slack. Super simple. And yeah, that's how it works.